electric current to pass through them are called conductors. Okay. So now we will learn about insulators. What are insulators? What is insulators?
Ma'am,
Insulators do
can
not.
I read?
Yes.
Sorry,
Wait a minute. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay. And insulators do not allow current to pass. Okay. So this is also insulator. This is the definition of insulators. I can give a good example like plastic, rubber, wood. All are the insulators. Okay. So now here, name the materials that are conductors of electricity and also those are insulators. Now you can hear right. Now, but just a wait.
hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. I'm here. Okay, I'm just waiting. I was waiting for it. Now we will write here about the conductors and insulators. The name you can you give me some names of conductors? Yes, we have to write some conductors. Okay, here. So can you give me some yes conductors? Yes, as I told you that conductors are the metals. Okay. Yes, Fazil. Can you give me some name of the metals?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Coin,
This is
key, coin, and knife,
no. I'm talking about the metals. Okay, iron, copper, aluminum. Okay.
iron, copper, aluminum,
Okay. Iron, copper,
steel.
steel. Yes. Okay, all are conductors. Okay. कंडक्टर जो ये जो चीजें है वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को पास करने देते हैं इसलिए इसको कंडक्टर कहते हैं सो मेटल्स आर द कंडक्टर्स ओके
Yes, ma'am.
और इंसुलेटर्स किसको लिखेंगे आई प्लास्टिक
Plastic, rubber, wood, rubber,
यस रबर एंड
wood.
वुड आर द इंसुलेटर्स ओके नाम पता है ना आपको कि हाँ, जब पता है आपको जब बहुत सारा कुछ काम होता है ना जब बहुत इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का तो जो इलेक्ट्रिशियन होता है ना ही वेयरिंग ग्लोव्स रबर ग्लोव्स because he wants because rubber gloves is the insulator okay so he will they will okay so he will protect from the shock electric shock okay so
Ma'am, now
they
can
are
I read?
मैंने आपको बताया वो समझा क्योंकि है ना जो इलेक्ट्रिशियंस होते हैं ना वो ग्लव्स पहनते हैं रबर ग्लव्स वाई
Yes, ma'am.
because
क्योंकि
it is a
स्टूडेंट में
insulator and it will save the electric it will save
मैम वो रबर के ग्लव्स होते हैं.
okay okay
Ma'am, now can I
you
read Zakaria Muhammad
yes
Fazil?
yes for start reading
What do you conclude? What
conclude
metals are
which
conclude
material
ingredients and which are installed also
conductor
conductor
प्लीज वहाँ पे जो आवाज हो रही है फैजिल वो बंद करो
get
प्लीज
the group as those having
फैजिल
yes ma'am
wait a
your
minute
voice sounds too much
your
volume.
voice is the from the back voice is coming too much so please
Ma'am,
go in a different room
What do you conclude? Which material are Ma'am, your screen is
Wait a minute, wait a minute. Give me a second. Now okay? Yes, ready. Yes, Fazil, start reading. Recall all
materials
objects.
are concluded and then which are insoluble
Insulator.
others. Recall
Insulator.
the object
Fazil,
that we
पहले मिस को सुनो, okay? Say it insulators, okay? इंसुलेटर बोलो, फिर बोलो वो स्पेलिंग आपने गलत रीड किया था. इंसुलेटर.
insulator recall the object that we group as those given luster in chapter 4 are the
कंडक्टर.
conductor. It now seems easy to understand why copper, aluminum, and other materials are used for making wire.
Okay, hold on. Okay, now we know that. Okay, what do we conclude? Which materials are conductor and which materials are insulator? Recall all objects that we grouped and those having luster in chapter number 4. Okay, are they the conductors? Now it is too easy to understand why copper, aluminum and other materials are using for making wires. Okay, as you know that now why aluminum, copper and other metals are making wire, because it is the conductors. Metals are the conductor of electricity, and it is helping pass to electricity. Okay, it is so it is so these metals are really helpful in making wires. Okay, now who will read? Zuhair.
Yes, ma'am.
Let us recall.
Let us recall activity 4 in which we made an electric circuit with a switch when the
बेटा
switch
आपकी
was
आवाज
in
नहीं आ
the
रही है
upper
ठीक से.
position.
When the switch was in the open position,
Where the two drawing pins not
not
connected
connected.
each other to the thermocol sheet.
Hit.
Thermocol you may have found in an insulator. What about the air between the gaps? Since the bulb does not glow when there is only air in the gap between the drawing pins in your switch.
It means
It means that air is also an insulator.
hmm. Okay, wait. Now, we have did activity number 4. In that, what we had done? We had done about here. This is activity number 4. Okay. Okay, we had made a switch, homemade switch. Okay, so drawing pin. Okay, this pin and drawing pins are the made of metal. Okay, so they are the conductor, and the thermocol sheet is the insulator. And when there was gap, air, when there was air here, only air, so it was not the bulb was not glowing. Okay, so it proves that air is only air. Okay, only air is a insulator, because it is not passing the electric current. Okay, when you touch the pin over there, now with air, pin is there. Okay, so it will be a conductor. So on when there is only air, it is an insulator. Okay, now who will read? Dal Sarfaraz, open your microphone.
Not
Dal Sarfaraz. Okay. Fazil Naini.
ma'am, his name is Hassan Ali Nayan.
Okay. Can you open the microphone, Hassan Ali Nayani? Okay. Can you, Fazil, sorry, Kalbe Sadiq Nakvi. Kalbe Sadiq Nakvi, open the microphone. Kalbe
Yes,
Sadiq
ma'am.
Nakvi, open the microphone. Yes, start reading.
Contour
Conductors,
conductors and insulators
insulators,
are equally important for UL.
us,
Switch. Switches, electrical lobes, and
lungs
sockets are
are
made
made up
of
of conductors,
conductor, lobes,
conductors.
electrical on the hand. Rubber
On the other hand,
and plastic are used for covering electrical wires, laptops, switches, and other parts of electrical appliances
appliances,
which people
appliance.
might touch.
Okay, now wait a minute. Conductors and insulators are very equally important. Okay, so, ऐसे नहीं है कि जो conductors है वही important है और जो insulator है वो important नहीं है. Okay, because switches and electric currents, sorry, electric plugs and sockets are made up of conductors. Okay, but other hand, rubber and plastic is used to cover electric wire. Okay, so इलेक्ट्रिक वायर से कब बनता है जब वायर होता है और ऊपर प्लास्टिक होता है तो ही वायर बनता है बिकॉज वायर होगा वो बहुत डेंजरस होता है टच करने के लिए सो विदाउट प्लास्टिक वी कांट टच दैट वायर ओके so plastic that insulators and conductors both are equally important in our life okay so plastic rubber and plastic are used for covering electric wires laptops switches and other part of the electric appliance which might be touched. Okay, so when we whatever part we want to touch, it should be covered with the plastic or rubber. Okay, then only we can touch the product or the appliance. Okay. Now who will read? I want Kulsum Chokia.
Yes.
Okay, start reading. Your body
Your body in a of
is a
electric there for
wait a
me
minute. Hello, hold on. Why
careful
you are
when
repeating the
you
word? Wait a minute. Okay, start again. Question. Your body is.
your
Why are you
body
eating half of them?
your body is a conductor of electric therefore be careful when you handle an electrical appliance.
Okay, our body is a conductor. Okay, so if we want to handle any appliances, we need to be very careful. Okay, हमारे body से current pass हो सकता है. So सो वही ना आपने देखा होगा कभी टीवी में पिक्चर में एक को करंट लगता है तो दूसरा छुड़ाने जाता है तो वो भी चिपक जाता है राइट सो because our body is conductor so what people are doing if we are getting this type of any if we are in this type of problem or what people are doing that people are taking some wood or any other thing and they are helping us to take coming out from this प्रॉब्लम ओके सब जब हमने पिक्चर में देखा होता है ना फिर वो लकड़े से मारते हैं तब छूट जाते हैं और जब करंट लगता है तो राइट तो किसी को भी करंट लगता है ना तो हमें डायरेक्ट उसको टच नहीं करना चाहिए बिकॉज आवर बॉडी इज कनेक्टेड ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इफ somebody is in problem like this okay electric current उसको लगता होता है, तो क्या करना चाहिए उसको? पहले तो मेन स्विच बंद करनी चाहिए एंड देन you have to take it out. और अगर इतना भी टाइम ना हो तो आपको क्या करना चाहिए? You take a piece of wood and drag the person out from the problem. Okay. Now exercise. Okay. Now let me just finish with summary. Electric cell is a, okay. Who will read? Yes, Chokia. Yes, first point. First point, beta. Kulsum Chokia, open the microphone.
Yes.
Start reading. First point.
Number 1.
Yes, start कर दो बेटा. Are you listening to me?
Ma'am, I can
Okay.
read.
Who? What is your name?
Sarah.
Whereabouts? No, beta. I want another person. Okay, to read. Aman Dhanani, open your microphone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start reading, beta. First point, summary. Yes, beta,
Electric
start
coil.
reading.
Electric coil is a source of
Electric cell, beta.
electricity.
Electric cell is a source of.
An electric cell has two terminals. One is called
Hmm.
positive while the other is negative.
Okay,
And
now first point, wait a minute. Okay, so electric cell is a source of electricity. Okay, so the cell or the battery, is the source of electricity. We are getting electricity from that cell. Okay, batteries. Okay, when you are putting in remote or clock or something, so it is passing electricity. So these appliances are working. Okay. Now electric cell has two terminals. As I told you, the metal cap is having positive and the base is having negative terminals. The third point.
an electric bulb has a filament that is connected to its terminal.
Hmm.
An electric bulb glows when electric current passes through it.
Hold on. Okay. Electric bulb is having filament. As I told you that that bulb, those three wires. As I showed in before also that it's called filament. Okay. And filament is connected to its terminal because of if filament is not working, the bulb will not glow. Okay. That is also important. Filament is also important part of the bulb. Now, an electric bulb glows when electric current passes through it. Okay, with in filament, okay, in terminals and filament, if current will pass, then only the bulb will glow. Yes, application. Open the microphone. Taki Keshani, open the microphone and start reading. Taki Keshani, can you open the microphone for me, please?
Landa.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Numan, अपना microphone बंद कर दो. You start reading.
An electric, an
इन
electric,
अब कहाँ थे तो हम रीड करवा रहे थे. Point number fifth. Okay, in a closed circuit, you
in
need to
a
be very
closed,
careful about reading.
in a closed electric
Circuit, circuit,
circuit, the electric current pass from one terminal of the electric bulb
terminal to better terminal. of
terminal
one terminal of
the electric into the other terminal.
hmm. Now in closed circuit what is happening? जो circuit होता है पूरा okay here electric current is passing from one terminal to the another terminal as we have seen in bulb okay what is happening in both terminals electric current was passing okay so it is also a closed circuit okay closed circuit now in closed circuit what is happening one current is passing from one terminal to another terminal now next point beta next point yes Saki Keshwani Keshwani continue reading
Yes. Which is simple device that is used to either break the electric circuit cir- circuit or to complete it.
okay now switch as I told you also before also switch is the device that help us to break the electric circuit or complete the circuit okay so as if we will put on then the circuit will become complete okay if we switch off what is happening the circuit is breaking let me just show you here in our activity number 4 we did homemade switch okay here this is this is not touching okay this is switch homemade switch pin was the homemade switch in our activity so if pin is not touching then it is not making complete circuit okay so switch is incomplete and here when switch is touching it is completing the whole circuit so if it is touching then it is completing the circuit or if it is not touching so it is not completing the circuit yes I want Munna Bojani to open the microphone. Munna Bojani, can you open the microphone? Okay, Noman. Noman, open the microphone.
Yes,
Yes, Noman, start reading.
switch is a simple device
No, I
that
want
is
next point,
used
बेटा. Next point. Noman, कहाँ पे हो तुम? Read करो अच्छे से देख के. Next point.
materials that
That
allow
allow.
electric current to pass through them are called conductors.
Okay, so materials that allows electric current to pass is called conductor. एग्जाम्पल तुम्हारा एग्जाम्पल दे सकते हो मैं अभी एग्जाम्पल दिए थे वो तीन तीन कैन यू गिव मी एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कंडक्टर यस कोई
Ma'am,
और
conduct,
यस
ma'am, बराबर.
यस
Plastic,
बेटा वो तो
aluminium,
इंसुलेटर प्लास्टिक नहीं आता है उसमें एनी मेटल्स
aluminium, iron, and copper.
yes very good aluminum fire and copper are the conductors any metals are the conductor okay so aluminum copper फिर steel iron okay you can even take as a lead all are all are the copper conductors of the electricity okay next Noman last point
Materials that do not allow electric current to pass through them are called
insulator
insulators.
insulator okay can you the material which is not allowing the electric current to pass through is called as insulator so as can you give me some examples yes Noman example of insulator
Wood,
Yes, very good. फिर से करंट नहीं लगता है, हमें उसको इंसुलेटर बोलते हैं. Then very good again. दूसरा. Okay. Yes. Can you go? Anyone? Can you give me some example of insulator?
Ma'am, rubber, plastic.
Yes. Very good. Rubber, plastic, wood, okay. So polythene,
Wood.
plastic आती है ना वो, okay. So eraser, paper, because paper and match, you know that matchstick, all are made up of wood, okay. So wood products are also a insulator. So you can even write paper, matchstick, eraser, polythene bags, okay. So all those are also an insulator, okay. Now, we'll okay. So yes, Lucky Vakil. Okay. Can you open the microphone, Aryan Sheikh? Aryan Sheikh, can you open the microphone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you read, fill in the blanks for me?
Advance that is used to break an electric circuit.
But your voice is not clear. You are not getting enough network over there.
The advance
Yes, a device, the device.
that the device that is used to break an electric circuit
Circuit.
circuit is called
मैंने बोला था अभी सिखाया था. Can you explain me what is? मैंने अभी जो points
cell.
करवाए ना ये summary के.
Cell. Cell.
सेल नहीं बेटा, नहीं. मैं अभी जो
Sir,
summary के points करे उसमें ही था आंसर.
sorry, Zohair Abbas. I can answer.
Yes, yes.
Insulator.
Insulator. और कोई ट्राई करेगा जल्दी जल्दी. Yes, Fazil. You will try. What is the answer?
Ma'am, which one?
Yes, first fill in the blank.
A device that is used to break an electric circuit is called.
Yes. Can you give me the answer?
Don't know.
Switch. यहाँ पर ही मैंने आपको सिखाया था अभी. This point. Switch is a simple device that either break the electricity or complete it. Huh? Yes. It's the same thing. SWITCH. Now, a cell is having how many terminals?
Two terminals.
Very good. One is positive and second is
One is negative and one
negative.
is positive.
Okay. Can you? Okay. So our time is finished, I think so. Okay. Let me just finish the session here, and let me just I'll explain you everything in next lecture. Okay. Let me just okay. If you want to finish the there is only two of us. You just finish it. Electric current can flow through metals. True or false?
True. True.
Electric current can flow, yes, as I told you that conductors, okay, metals are the conductors of electricity. So metals can, from the metal, the electric current can flow. So it is true. Instead of metal wires, a jute string can be used to make a circuit. Okay, yes, Zohair Abbas, can you say it? Yes or no, true or false? Instead of metal wires, a jute string, okay, dhaga,
True.
dori, can be used to make circuit.
False.
False, because
Sorry.
the jute, yes, the jute string is a conductor of the insulator. So we can't use as a wire. Okay, electric current can pass through the sheet of thermocol. Yes or no?
Ma'am,
थर्मोकोल से हो सकता है
Okay,
फॉल्स.
then as through a sheet of them cold.
थर्मोकोल से नहीं होता है. ओके, सो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट कैन पास थ्रू फॉल्स. Okay, so
Cold.
I have sent it the I have sent the answer to you. Okay, so please start writing in your fair book and read it
ma'am,
from
when
there.
you will
Okay,
send
I will send it
exercise
on
one?
morning only. Okay, just now before our class. Okay, so you check over from there and write it down.